There is a Adieu Gulsary. It's a book from Chyngyz Aytmatov. It was published in French language in all the Francophone countries in 1968. Then it disappeared. After 3 years, 4 years, it was no more. Then now in all the libraries, we can't find this book. And French editor asked me if it's possible to publish again, and I said I will try. Then, there is author rights, so I found it's Askar Айтматов. He was agreed to publish this book, so through advocates, they signed a contract with this French editor, which is Édition du Rocher. At this time, we check again the translation, and I wrote a preface for this book because this book is very important for me about Kyrgyz culture, about all the story from the Soviet time, from Stalin time. So for me, it's a very important book. So I wrote preface for this book, and they have printed 2 months ago the first edition. About after 2 months, all the books they already sold. So now they are printing again. So for me, it's very exceptional to see then Aytmatov with the talent of Aytmatov and what he's telling about Kyrgyz culture. Still, it's interest. People here in France, it's interested. And I think not only in France, because they sell also in Belgium, in Switzerland, in Canada. So it's again, from all Francophone countries.
We think that Gulsary is, we call it Gulsary. It's about a horse and a man. So what is this story about for you and for French?
For me, it's for myself, because I know the place, because I am living there, so I know the story. And so for me, the more important, it's in the 19th century, half of the 19th century, Aytmatov already spoke about the disappearance of the culture, disappearance of the horse, disappearance of the yurt. It was 70 years ago. So for me, it's so strong to see then the result now. I am working for that since 12 years in Kyrgyzstan, in Tajikistan, for Kyrgyz culture, because it's still disappearing. And if nobody will work now on that, it will disappear forever. So it's why, for me, Aytmatov is the first one who spoke about that. And it's very important to make this book and to make well-known this book.